How to get local channels on Vizio Smart TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get local channels on your Vizio Smart TV, even without cable. Let's get started. Option 1. Use an HD antenna. First, connect an HD antenna to the coaxial port on the back of your Vizio TV. Press the menu button on your Vizio remote. Go to TV Settings, Tuner Auto Channel Scan. Your TV will scan and save all available local over-the-air channels. Once done, use the remote to browse your local stations. Option 2. Use a streaming app with local channels. Some apps offer local channels based on your location. YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Sling TV Select Markets, Paramount Plus, a local BTV, if available in your city. Download the app from the Vizio SmartCast App Store, sign in, and enjoy live local content. Option 3. Use a streaming device. If your Vizio Smart TV doesn't support certain apps, plug in a Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. These devices have more apps with local channel support. Just install one of the apps mentioned and start streaming. Bonus tip: to get the best signal with an antenna, place it near a window or higher up on a wall. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.